First, the top news headlines. 3 BSF Jawans injured in Imphal blast. Kokomi reiterates demand for disclosure of Indo-Naga agreement by November 4. And drug peddler held with 6 kgs of opium worth rupees 6 crore in Bishnupur district. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. 3 personnel of Border Security Force BSF were injured when a high-intensity improvised explosive device exploded during Chhat Puja at Telepati of Imphal East last night around 11:30. As per reports, the bomb went off near Telepati Kali Mandir when a combined team of Manipur police and BSF personnel were on their way to Telepati, where a scuffle-like situation was reported. The injured Jawans were rushed to nearby Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jenims, Porompat for medical treatment. The injured were identified as ASI Lal Kumar, is 55 years, hailing from Agartala, Constable Koram Mahendra, is 35 years, and Rifleman Santram, is 25 years, both hailing from Chhattisgarh. They are currently posted at ISBT Command Lampak, Imphal, a police report said. The police are investigating the incident.
हम खाली यही देखा तो वहाँ पर थोड़ा ब्लास्ट हुआ, वो सिपाही लोग थोड़ा घायल हो गया। वो लोग 3 आदमी था, 1 आदमी को थोड़ा लगा है घाव। 12 बजने में 5 मिनट बाकी था।
Meanwhile, residents of Telepati stake a sit-in protest this morning to register a protest against last night's IED blast. It may be noted that the Telepati blast was taken place at Mies, Imphal and other parts of Manipur have been witnessing countless protests under the aegis of the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, which has demanded that no content of the Indo-Naga peace deal should impinge upon the boundary and integrity of the state.
Kanone akhodi chahi khudingi ganga puja chauri se yam phajana adum pangthokpani adu ngasi handap tauri se ahamba bom pokhai base akhoi matungda sigumba thabak se thokpi ganu haina haijari ni.
A forensic science team rushed to the site this morning and collected samples. In the wake of the blast, security has been tightened in Imphal East. In Imphal East district, Police Commando under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal East, TH Krishnatombi, carried out massive search operation at Soibam Laikai Citizen Club, Wangkai Kuno and Soibam Laikai, where all residents were subjected to verification. However, no one was picked up. Convener of Kokomi, Sunil Karam, today reiterated the demand that final settlement of Naga Framework Agreement must be disclosed to the masses before November 4. His statement comes a day after Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Kumar met a fervent appeal to the civil society to withdraw the demand. Sunil Karam was taking part in a sit-in protest at Thangmaiban Leela Singh Khongnangkhong, Imphal today. Thangmaiban Improvement Club and Thangmaiban Awang Maishnam Laikai jointly organized the demonstration. Kokomi leader Sunil Karam urged every individual from all walks of life to take part in every Kokomi-led protest. He demanded that the details of the recently concluded Naga talk should be brought to the public domain by November 4, taking into account the public apprehension over the fallout. Sunil further described as very confusing the Union Home Minister Amit Shah's recent statement that he will consult the stakeholders. Such statement indicates looming threat to the state, he said. Sunil asserted that, being a leader of the state, Chief Minister N. Biren should not give misleading information to the masses during such critical hours. He urged the public to take part in the Kokomi-led protest to safeguard the integrity of the state.
Demand की मतंग नसो से होम आमिनी साना काइना अखोई स्टेकहोल्डर तानगनी खोनगनी हाइबा वफम सिंग से लोशन की पोट अमबो स्टेकहोल्डर अमुक ताननी हाइबा से वेरी कंफ्यूज अम थोले मरमदी करिगुम करिमते सोक्ते हाइरम तारगदी स्टेकहोल्डर तानरम दबसु याबनी अदोपो करिगुम खरा यावना सोमगा दबुई वफम मन लेबदना मरम मकना मणिपुर की स्टेकहोल्डर लोरबसु लोइना तानरबन मरमदना हाइरिबा सोकपा यावरमगसु ngasi degi na sign se finally agreement to muk थाद्रिंगदा सोई थाद्रिंगदा अखोई हंदोकपियु हाइबसे सब सब वफम मा मियामना गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट अखोई सब मेसेज अमा पिजाबने ngasi लैंगाकता मपांगन मा की डिग्निटी हाबनबगी दमकता मा की पावर से पीनबगी दमकता वखन छोंदम यादे हाइबगी पावर से पीरकाना गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया तकनबदा पांगल ओइनेदा संक्शन जरिबा मणिपुर मियामदा अमुकन खोंजंग लोइसिंगबो अखोइगी अदुम अमुकना ओना तैनबा यामना अदुगुंबा तायोनब वाफम खर थमजलकना मणिपुर मियामदा दमका तवो मानबो वाफम से मसी एज ए चीफ मिनिस्टर अमोइना मपीबा पावना हाइबम थोकते यामना इमोशनल ओइबम थोकते.
A team of Bishnupur District Police Commando arrested a man along with 6 kgs of opium worth around ₹3 crore from Tronglaubi, Maninglekai of Bishnupur District last afternoon. As per reports, the man was arrested while the police personnel were conducting frisking and checking in the area. The arrested was identified as Tonglun Kipgen, is 52 years, son of late Thangkolen Kipgen of Molfai Tampak village. A case has been registered at Moirang police station in this regard. Meanwhile, an awareness program on the ill effects of consumption, abuse of narcotics, psychotropic substances, alcohol concluded today at Manipur Police Training College. Assistant Director of MPTC, Pangai, A.K. Jalajit attended the awareness program as the coordinator, while Superintendent of Police, Narcotic and Affairs of Border, W. Basu Singh, spoke at length on the topic. 773 trainees of MPTC attended the concluding day of the awareness program. Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, Minister Karamsham inaugurates badminton court and office building of Badminton Association of Chajing Awang Lekai, Lilong.
Luhongbagi furniture set kaloinana style and style amadi local almira phangbiragani. Furniture set ama laibada fian ama lemna hapchari loinana ningol chakaubagi akhannabu offer su pizari. Bed, dining table, office table, sofa, almira, fridge asina chingba khudimak phangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin biro steel decor. Sagol Bantera Akamlikai, Imphal, Manipur. Contact number 96121670042 natraga 8794714511.
Special Ningol Chakuba and Diwali offers. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts. For Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors Airport Road, Khari, near Comprehensive Concept School, Imphal, or contact us at 9366 508 258.
Welcome back. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karamsham today inaugurated a badminton court and an office building of Badminton Association of Chajing Awang Lekai, Lilong. Speaking at the event, Karamsham appealed to the youngsters to give more emphasis on games and sports and to stay away from drugs. The event was organized by Lilong Chajing Awang Lekai Badminton Association and 2029 Development Committee Chajing Awang Lekai. Minister Shyam further said that Langthabal is one of the developed constituencies in the state.
Hauji matamda community hall khak saraga nong phadok chakcha hija navanna tragana kaima function ama tawbagi importance to the gidi hojik hall sida sanaroi kaya adi badminton khangde any play sanaba yaba indoor gi oiba potsing sanarakpa kanda hojik drugs na attack tawraiba Manipur gi nabul sing si adi madudagi nanthok nanabi achoba maram ama khangi haiba wakalonu da thajaba thamaga badminton hall
Department of Textiles, Commerce, Industry, Government of Manipur organized a cleanliness drive at Naurim Thong Lerak, Machin and Lamboi Kongnang Kong, ahead of Manitex fair to be held at Manipur Trade Expo Center or at Lamboi Kongnang Kong from November 5 to 14. Taking part in the cleanliness drive, Textile Commerce Industry Minister Thongam Bishwajit said that the Manitex fair is being organized by the government with the principal objective to help boost the state economy and to generate income.
Social service service tuan fashion gi woro tuan ba khoi gi leriba loop singi mayam moment of busi mayam no ubire adana siguma puna maksing se khoina matam khudima ki oina chapkhatna ma na honare har kanda khoina puna mak afaba Manipur ma semba afaba Bharat ma semba da khoina message ma pining ba aduga khoi puna maki khoi puna hona minna ba aduga puna maki involvement changi aduga puna mak honar ba matam da khoina mai papung ngani haibagi masingumba message khoina singa si tawre habasina loi pharani haibana taba aduga mipung khudimakta akhoi awareness adu khangam da miyo singju khangna ba haidana akhoi ne electronic print media gi sinna singa tie up tawre har kanda akhoi ngasi je pangthok chabani.
Popular veteran Manipuri film actress Laisram Bisak passed away following an illness today at her 1K residence in Phal East. She was 97. Abok Bisak started her acting career from a tender age of 7, taking the role of Kusa in a drama Lavakusha. Later, she was popularly known by the public as Abok Bisak. She acted in many Manipuri films like Laibak TV, Yening Amadi Likla, and several others. The first alumni meet of Lamding Higher Secondary School, Taubal, was held at the school hall today. The function was organized by alumni 2000 batch of the school. Retired JEU John 3, Taubal Akoijam Norin, principal of Lamding Higher Secondary School, Asem Purnima Singh, and former principal of the school, Nahakpam Biren, attended the event as main guests. As a part of the event, floral tribute was paid to the photographs of 9 late founder members of the school. Bishnupur to Imphal Tata Magic Van Honor Driver Association Bishnupur organized an athlete protest rally in support of the Kokomi spearheaded agitation. The rally demanded the content of the recent agreement between the Government of India and Asian IM. The protesters later assembled at Bishnupur Maninglekai where they chanted slogans like "Long live Manipur," "Save the integrity of Manipur," etc. The demonstration started from Bishnupur Maninglekai and concluded at Oinam Keitil.
Ujik mayam na khangan na thami basi aroi ba moi final accord ro la bani na majik mayam na khangan biro loina na masina Manipur gi integrity da Manipur gi phiram la sor ba ta la gadi madu akoi thawai hakchang yaunai akoi ya janing de aduga loina na hojik leiriba Manipur gi kokomi na changsil leiba Manipur gi integrity kai ba yaro haibagi khongjang achida akoi Sharuk Yazabo in a Mating Pangjabo in a wing really a Sipangjuk Jabani.
Kaino Apunba Meira Paibi and Kaino Ayokpa Women's Society jointly held a sit-in protest at Kaino Market in support of Kokomi. The protesters chanted slogans and held placards that read, "Save the integrity of the state. We demand the content of Indo-Naga Agreement," etc. Residents of Kaino and Kaino Ayokpa Kabui village took part in the rally. Drivers of all Manipur Mini Water Tanker Association organized a vehicle rally in support of the Kokomi. The rally demanded the content of the recently concluded Naga peace talks. The rally started from Kurai Tharuijam Laikai and marched through Haikrumakong, Popular Crossing Lamlong, Ayangpali, Kongba, Singzamei, Kwakaithel, Tera Bazar, Imphal, Sanakaithel, Chingmairong, Lamlong before culminating at Somerendro ground.
Iramdam Manipur Simache Tarakpa Taragadi, Akwigi Koko Migi Misina, Lokalapa, Kongsang Kudimakta, Ekwisu, Saruk Yagani, Tawayak Yauna Amadi, Tawaina Pontapi, Supigani, Hana, Lepsaraga, Kongsana Vigidamukta, Sigumba, Tarangasip, Packet 7.
Popular Union Club Kairang Maning Laikai celebrated Ningol Chakoba Festival at the community hall of Kairang Maning Laikai with several women of the locality taking part at the event.
Sidagi kilometer nipu yang kai mathakta hena lapa pham da yum panaba yauri anak pada yauri madu mayam dogi apun bagi khudong chaba ma thengnana bagi amu akoina sinjaji na club ki leibiriba advisor sing president sing member sing na koi khana jabadagi ningon jingi oiba khudol ama oina akoi masigi adaki 2019 gi November ahum masida oina pangthok laji na koina khanaraga akoi pangthok sabani
reunion ki type ta ko saina to bi base it's very exciting aduga yamna su nungai ba phawe sigi moment ji ta senai kanda ai makna singe na traga personal oina sin bangam gadaba na te haijani.
Superintendent of Police Imphal East Jogesh Chandra Hobism today distributed tin sets and other materials required for construction of houses to some personnel of Village Defence Force during a simple gathering at the office of ASP Imphal East. BDF appreciated the ASP for his kind gesture. And another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Luan Aruna Khat Tang Mai La Mai Adventist Youth Federation West Circle Tuang Youth Camp Hai December 16 to 19, 2019 Namduan Jang National Highway 37 None District Kailuang Gai Khau Adventist Youth Kagwai Guang Kariunu Khang Leaders Gwai Rui Samda Lobam The Chabuan Panti Akhatna Sumai Lung Khau Nailana Ring Swang Mai Gai Cham Kadam La Cham Khang Guang Lau Diu Khang Tithai.
Welcome back. Delhi air quality plummeted post-Diwali, which Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said was the lowest in Delhi. Delhi is expected to begin its odd-even road rationing scheme starting tomorrow. The third edition of the odd-even scheme will be implemented in the national capital to tackle the severe air pollution. Introduced in 2016, the odd-even scheme is a car rationing system where cars with odd and even number plates will ply on alternate days. School in Delhi will be shut till November 5. The air pollution level in Delhi made a huge jump this morning, going deeper into the emergency zone. From yesterday, 407, the air quality index or AQI rose to 625, reducing visibility significantly and hampering air and road traffic in the city. The situation in the surrounding township was no better. Noida shut all schools till Tuesday. Coordinating Committee Jiribam on Manipur Integrity Kokomi Jiribam along with Muslim women folks take protests in support of Kokomi at Hilgad, Bidyanagar, Lakhipur, Chandrapur and Karamga areas of Jiribam. Coordinator of Kokomi Jiribam Y. Sanjip Singh expressed unhappiness over the center's refusal to disclose the details of the recently held Indo-Naga talks. He warned that if the peace pact affects the territorial integrity of Manipur, they will intensify the agitation, which will be more severe than the 2001 June 18 uprising.
Manipur ki karigumba sokpa yaba karigumba yawma taragadi haina haukiba 2001 thokiba 18 June dagi henna khogi athoba singna pamjaramba iramdam si imalaiba ki damakta thawaina bonda pibagumna adugumlaba makhogi tung ilakadaba mapari kya leiri akhogi lamdam sida leiri habase Hujik Lady India government is Music Hanga Damani, Karigumba, Sigumba, Lady Bangasi, Akuna, section from family was a lady Bakui London Sida Lady Ba, Pur Kodimagna, Lady Ba, Zati, Kodimagna, Punsalakanda, Akuna, Hujik Lady Ba, Piam Sida Quina, the Millis Miadre, Mipu Kodimak, Mikam sing now, Hujik Lady Motokai, Adu, Miam the Pam, Basiki, Onatanava, Paymutropa Taragadi, Akuna, Hawaii Ponta, Piragaso, Pirani, Haibagi Panam, the Ningasi, Akuna, Kokozimi, Sirakanda, Zeribam, the so, Nasi Akuna, occurred me from Pamjibas.
Students' organizations and women vendors of Thoubal Market jointly organized a demonstration under the aegis of Kokomi at Thoubal Bazaar. Later, they submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal demanding that Manipur's integrity should not be affected by Indo-Naga peace deal. Yairipok Apunba under the aegis of Kokomi also held a sit-in protest at Yairipok Bazaar. Advisor of Lamjingbatomtv Thoubal district, Chongtham Uttarani Devi said that we cannot accept the government of India's attempt to cut parts of our land to bring a solution to the Naga problem. Meanwhile, Thiam Konjil Andro Bazaar, Andro Mangchetpat Kaithel and Andro Mayai Laikai Kaithel also witnessed athlete meetings under Kokomi. Consequent to the October 31st development in the political talks between the Government of India and the NACN-IM over the issue of separate Naga flag, various Naga civil organizations have welcomed the thawing of the stalemate. The organization also lauded the working committee of the 7 Naga national political groups. The other party engaged in a parallel peace negotiation with the Government of India, a media report said. Earlier on October 31st, the WC had expressed confidence that the NACN-IM leadership has opted for peace, adopting a practical and realistic approach to concluding the political negotiations. The Naga Students Federation NSF, while welcoming the positive outcome of the October 31st meeting between the Government of India and the NACN-IM, appreciated both the parties involved in the political dialogue for adopting such progressive policies and resorting to ways that could eventually reign in a peaceful future for the Naga people. The Nagaland Tribes Council also congratulated the NACN-IM, WC, NNPGS and the goal represented by the interlocutor R.N. Rabi for their efforts towards bringing the protracted Indo-Naga political issue to a logical end. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India wants to transform the Northeast as a gateway to Southeast Asia. He further stressed that the step would to strengthen the country's deep friendly and historical relationship with Thailand. Modi addressed thousands of people of Indian origin in Bangkok's Nemi Stadium at the Sawardi PM Modi event yesterday. According to reports, Modi also held India ties with Thailand and talked about the similarities between the two cultures. He also said that opening of the India-Myanmar-Thailand trilateral highway will give seamless connectivity between Northeast India and Thailand. This will increase trade in this region as well as tourism and tradition. Yesterday's event comes after the mega Howdy Modi outreach program in the US Houston on September 23, attended by more than 50,000 people. Modi is in Thailand on a 3-day visit to take part in the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, East Asia and Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Summits. Now we have the sports news. Eleven Star today defeated Amova AMOFAAC by 1-0 in the first match of the first El Kirani Memorial First Division Football League 2019 at Multi-Purpose Ground, Moirang. In the second match, FC Kumbi won by 1-0 against City FC. The tournament is being organized by District Football Association, Moirang, Manipur. Four Nigerian footballers were arrested by railway police at Agartala railway station yesterday while they were on their way to Guwahati during a search on a Guwahati-bound train. According to sources, the footballers were arrested as they did not have any travel papers for their entry in India. They have got valid Nigerian passports and valid visa to Bangladesh. However, they don't have any travel papers for their entry in India. The arrested Nigerians have been identified as Okafor Obiora Michel, 23, Igbanugo Odipo Donatus, 28, Madubuko Onedika Chukwu Stanley, 29, and Peterson Wilson, 27. Crew Muay Thai Association KMA, in association with Government of Pattaya City, Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Tourism Authority of Thailand, is organizing the 5th International Thai Martial Arts Games and Festival 2020 from March 8 to 17, 2020 at Pattaya Beach in Thailand. Manipur Mixed Martial Arts Association, in a press release today, informed all interested players to submit their biodata to the association office located at Kurai Putiba, Imphal. We end this the bulletin, the top news once again. 3 BSF Jawans injured in Imphal blast. Kokomi reiterates demand for disclosure of Indo-Naga agreement by November 4. Drug peddler held with 6 kgs of opium in Bishnupur district. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.